Naghahanap kayo ng murang training for Amazon na may internship, then this is your chance. This is the kind of training na mai-apply talaga ninyo kung ano yung matututunan ninyo. Non-voice at pwede ninyong pag-aralan from zero experience. O kahit never pa kayong nag-work online as a virtual assistant, then we might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary and our team offers trainings na pasok sa panlasa kahit wala kang experience. For Amazon training na may actual na internship para mas maging familiar kayo sa flow, then this is your chance. 2-day event siya. Ang schedule niya is from 8 a.m. till 12 noon. 4 hours yung class niya each day and may breaks naman in between. 59 pesos lang to. To enroll, you just have to click the link in my bio tapos i-click nyo lang Amazon. Live Zoom training siya at pagkatapos, after nung class, papasok kayo sa Google Classroom namin at doon namin ipopost yung detalye naman ng 2 weeks na internship ninyo. So, tatanong kung meron ba tong one-on-one with me? Yes po, magkakaroon kayo ng opportunity to book a one-on-one mock interview and AMA session with me. Kasi bukod dun sa training ninyo, kasama din kayo dun sa application book session natin where I will be teaching you kung ano yung ginagawa ko kung paano mag-apply, kung paano gumawa ng resume, ng portfolio, ng cover letter, contracts, and all that stuff. So, wag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-enroll na kayo, ha? Sige, see you sa classroom. Bye!